Good morning everyone. My name is Anas from grade 1B. Today we are doing underwater volcano experiment. We want test tube, measuring jar, funnel, scoops, water, red color, baking soda, citric acid, vegetable oil. First we will add 10 ml water into the tube using funnel. We will add 2 drops of red color. Mix it well. After this, first we will add baking soda into the tube.
How much of baking soda?
Half scoop baking soda.
Okay.
After adding baking soda, we will add 20 ml vegetable oil. Now we will add citric acid into the tube.
Wow.
This is a bubble. Ah! This is a bubble coming up.
Underwater?
Underwater volcano.
Awesome, Anas. Awesome. You can see the carbon dioxide bubbles coming up. This is how a volcanic eruption takes place.